What's going on, everybody? Adam Neely with Build, Guild, and Refine TV coming back at you with another episode. I don't know why I did the father. So I figured it's actually Tuesday today, so I owed you a Tuesday Talks. And I was going over a bunch of things of what I think I wanted to say, but the biggest thing that stood out to me was the response from last Tuesday Talks non-Tuesday video, which was, life sucks, but keep your head up. I was impressed and still just kind of floored at how many people reached out to me with different messages, saying things like, thank you so much for your message, thank you so much for your videos, I'm praying for you. I got a few of those. People that don't even know me saying that they're praying, and I really appreciate that. But I want to clarify, life is always hard, right? We're always going through trials. But that being said, I am immensely blessed. I'm immensely blessed with what I've been given, what I've worked for, and where I'm at. With my family, my wife, my kids, my home, my businesses. I am very blessed and very grateful for what I have. But that doesn't take away the importance of all your messages. And I want to return that sentiment by saying thank you. And if there's anything that I can do to help lend support and emotional support and lend prayers, send prayers out your way, let me know, because I'm happy to do so. And for those who don't believe in that, there's positive energy that runs around this planet 24/7, 365. And a lot of those people that I've encountered with know about that energy. And that's that energy of positivity that we want to continue. That's what we're trying to propel out there. So let's take that energy, let's absorb it, and let's put it back out there. And let's keep everything positive. So I wanted to thank you all for that message. And I want to thank you sincerely for continuing to watch the videos, like the videos, subscribe to the channel. We've grown in just a few weeks from 49 subscribers to over 120 subscribers now. So let's double that. Then let's triple that and quadruple that. Let's get to 10,000 subscribers, and then 100,000 subscribers, and then 1 million subscribers. So I'm saying it right now, here and now, that as long as I can keep this channel going, and as long as you all keep receiving it, we're going to get to 1 million subscribers. Now that may be wishful thinking, but we're going to get there, and we'll get there together. So stay tuned for a lot more videos. Send in messages. Let me know if there's things that you'd like to have videos done on, if you'd like to have tutorials or DIYs, or even if you just want to have a conversation with me through a message. Let's do it. Let's make a video. So the other part of this Tuesday Talks, we're going to talk about clothing, because I've gotten a few requests of whether or not we're selling our shirts. So you can see I'm wearing the Chip Chop and Grind. This will be the, forget what kind of plaid this is, but it's not your typical lumberjack, right? Red and black plaid. What's that called, Lush?
Buffalo plaid.
Buffalo plaid. Thank you, son. My son's right off camera. So it's not your typical red and black buffalo plaid. But we also have these Chip Chop and Grind shirts in red and black buffalo plaid. Then we have t-shirts for all three companies. We have the t-shirt for Build, Guild, and Refine and tank tops. We have the t-shirt for Chip Chop and Grind and tank tops. And then we have the t-shirt for Rock and Royal Productions. And we may do tank tops as well. Then we also have the hoodies, the Chip Chop and Grind hoodies, which have the small logo on the chest, the large logo on the back, which I'll show you in just a second. So send in the messages. Let me know if you would be interested in buying the clothing, ordering one of the logo shirts to support the companies and support the channel. So what that'll do is that'll allow me the opportunity to keep making videos for us, okay? So we're gonna have all the shirts. Eventually we'll have beanies. But these are all logos that I've designed and for the companies that I've created. And so that really shows your support, and I appreciate that a lot. So stay tuned for the next video, which will be a job completion video, and then next Tuesday Talks. I'd love to do more if you'd like. Let me know if you'd like more frequency in the videos, and we'll get there. I thought I'd wait to have a quiet household before doing this video, but this is real life. There's always somebody crying and there's always somebody screaming in my house. So welcome home. I'm Adam Neely with Build, Gild, and Refine TV. Thanks for watching.